Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the display color on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you can see it easier if the colors are grayscale or inverted or something like that. We can go on over to System Settings and then scroll on down on the left side of the screen and go to System. Then go to the right and let's scroll on down. And here's the option for the different display colors right here. It says change display colors. We have default, then we have invert colors, and then we have grayscale. So we can choose one of these options. So let's go to invert colors. Go back to home screen here. You can see everything is inverted when you're looking at it. So maybe it's a little bit easier to see inverted colors. So we can go back to this and then change it back. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.